I loved the excitement, the drama, the costumes, everything looked tight. Now, there was also the dynamic range, which I found very attractive. However, it could have been even more so towards the end when you were repeating that phrase. If you had started it really softly and then built up, it would have been even more dramatic. And I am telling you, that mother who said, you know, here, made it feel like me would have run too. Very well done, Merle Grove.
Yeah, Merle Grove. Dog war is a part of Jamaican life, you know. And if the dog war heard up my street, somebody anywhere near like this, at least I'd get some sleep. But it was very nice, very entertaining, and you were correct. Your notes were correct, and the coming in, the entries, and the departing from one section into the other was really good. I think I liked mostly the last part when this group was singing something, that one was singing something. That sounded like a dog war. Very good.